Good day guys, welcome where Maths is made easy with teacher Satya here. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to find the rate when we know the simple interest, principal and time. Make sure you watch the entire video to have a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it guys. Alright guys, so in order for us to find the rate, we need to know the simple interest, principal and the time. And we know that the formula to find simple interest is equal to PRT over 100. But in order to find rate, what we are going to do is we are going to solve for R. Alright guys, so SI is PRT over 100. But in this case, what we are going to do is, since we are going to solve for the rate, we are going to find for R. So what the formula would look like is SI multiplied by 100 is equal to PRT, right guys? Because I transposed 100 to the other side. And in order for us to find the rate, so SI times 100 over P times T will give us R. And we would be using this formula to solve few questions. Alright guys, so in this question, what we know is we know the principal is 12,000, the SI is 400 and the time is 2 years. Now we are going to find for R. Step number 1, let's start off by writing the formula down. R is equal to SI multiplied by 100 over P times T, right guys? Now we'll be using this formula whenever we need to find the rate. Now what do we have here? The SI is equal to 400 multiplied by 100 over the value of P is 12,000 multiplied by the time is 2 years, right guys? Now it becomes very simple because we can easily simplify these two zeros and then this 0, right guys? Now what we would have on the top is 40 multiplied by 1 over 12 times 2, right guys? So what we would have is 40 divided by 24, right? Which is equal to 10 over 6. And if we use the calculator to find 10 over 6, we would get 1.66%. So the rate is 1.66% per annum. That means per year. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and solve the next question. Again, we are finding for the rate per year, so let's start out by writing the formula. R is SI multiplied by 100 over P times T. Alright guys, now let's substitute what we know from the question. SI is 1000 multiplied by 100 over the value of P is 24,000 multiplied by the time is 6 years. Step number 1, what we can do is we can simplify these three zeros straight away, right guys? So in the numerator we have 1 times 100 over 24 times 6, right guys? Now let's use the help of a calculator to find this. 100 divided by 144, which would give us 100 divided by 144, which would give us 0.69%. So the rate is equal to 0.69% per annum, or we can also round it up to approximately 0.7%. Alright guys, now let's solve the final question. Again, let's start with the formula. R is SI times 100 over P times T, right guys? Now let's substitute. SI is 1200 multiplied by 100 over the value of P is 24,000 multiplied by 8 years. Again, we are going to go ahead and simplify the 0. So these two zeros can simplify each other, and this 0 will simplify with this 0. So in the numerator now we have 120 multiplied by 1 over 24 times 8. right guys? Now if we take the calculator, 24 times 8 would give us 192. So we have 120 over 192, and let's see how much would that give us. That would give us 0.625%. Therefore the rate is 0.625% per annum. And that is how we would find the rate when we know the simple interest, principal, and time. Now if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to hit on the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time guys, have a nice day.